Greetings, dear students. This is the preparatory examination of Bellary district. And even in this paper, I would like to do only part A, that is one marker question. Now let's look at the first question. First question is, if A equals 5, 4, 6, then we should find A into A dash. So A into A dash equals A matrix is of 5, 4, 6 into A dash. Convert rows into columns. You will get 5, 4, 6. Now we should multiply rows and then columns. So here first row is 5, 4, 6. And again column is 5, 4, 6. So we should multiply rows and then columns there. So 5 into 5 is 25, plus 4 into 4 is 16, plus 6 into 6 is 36. If you simplify this, you will get 77. Therefore, option C. Then second question, if determinant of 9x3 minus 2 equals to 0, then we need to find the value of x. So multiply the principal diagonal elements 9 into minus 2 minus product of other two elements, that is 3 into x. 9 into minus 2 is minus 18, minus 3 into x is 3x equals to 0. So minus 3x equals plus 18, because minus 18 on the other side becomes plus 18, and x is equals to minus 6. 3, 6 or 18. Option A. Third question, if NC10 equals NC15, then find the value of n. So there's a formula, NCR equals NCn minus R. Therefore, NC10 equals NCn minus 15. Now equate 10 and then n minus 15. So if you equate those two, you will get n is equals to n minus, sorry, 10 is equals to 10, n minus 15. Minus 15 on the other side becomes plus 15. Therefore, n is equals to 25. Then fourth question is, find the mean proportional of 36 and then 4. So the question is mean proportional. So I will write like this: 36 is to x as to x is to 4. Here x is the mean proportional. Again, proportional properties, product of extremes will be equal to product of means. So 36 into 4 equals x into x is x square. Therefore, x is equals to root of 36 into 4. You will get x is equals to 12. Then fifth question, the probability of getting no heads in a toss of a fair coin twice. So when you toss a coin twice, the sample space will be h comma h, ht, th, tt. So number of outcomes are 4. Out of 4 outcomes, only in one outcome we don't have heads. That's what we need, right? So probability of not getting heads. Therefore, 1 out of 4, 1 by 4 is the answer. Then match the following first question. If P of A equals 3 by 4, then P of A dash. So P of A dash formula is P of A dash equals 1 minus P of A. So that is 1 minus 3 by 4. 1 minus 3 by 4 is 1 by 4. So for the first question, answer is 1 by 4. Second one, if sine A equals half, then find the value of cos 2A. So cos 2A formula is 1 minus 2 sine square A. If you simplify this, you will get 1 minus 2 into 1 by 2 the whole square. You will get 1 minus half. 1 minus half is half. So for the second question, answer is 1 by 2. Third question, find the duplicate ratio of 3 is to 4. Duplicate means square of the given ratio. 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16. So 9 is to 16. Then fourth question, limit. Limit x tends to 0, sine of 5x divided by 4x. In case of trigonometrical limits, angle should be equals to the denominator. So here angle is 5x. Even in the denominator, we need 5x. But look at the question. What is given in the question? 4x, right? So I will write like this: x into 1 by 4. I will separate x and then 4. Now again, look at the angle. So here angle is 5x, denominator is x. Tell me what is missing now. 5 is missing, right? So I will multiply by 5 and then I will do divided by 5. So now sine theta by theta, it is matching. So limit x tends to 0, sine x by x will be 1. So limit, if I apply the limit, sine 5x divided by 5x becomes 1 into 5 by 4. I will get 5 by 4. Then fifth question, y square equals 4ax, then we need to find the value of dy by dx. So differentiation of x square is 2x. Like that, differentiation of y square is 2y into dy by dx. 4a is a constant, write down as it is. Differentiation of x is 1. Therefore, dy by dx equals 4a divided by 2y. If you simplify this further, you will get 2a divided by y. Then seventh question, if 5pr equals to 60, then find the value of r. This is very simple. You just multiply the preceding numbers. It is 5pr, correct? So first you do 5 into 4. 5 into 4 is 20, but we want 60 there. So again, I will multiply its preceding number, 5 into 4 into 3. So 5 into 4 into 3 is 60. Therefore, value of r will be 3. Then eighth question, P and Q conditional are, we need to find negation of this proposition. And negation of P conditional Q is, we should retain first term P as it is. Conditional becomes conjunction. Apply negation to the second term, you will get negation Q. So here first term is P conjunction Q. Write down P conjunction Q as it is, no changes. Conditional becomes conjunction. Then apply negation to the second term, you will get negation R. Then ninth question, the value of limit extends to minus 2, x power 5 plus 32 divided by x plus 2. This is standard limit here formula. Limit extends to a, x power n minus a power n divided by x minus a equals n into a to the power n minus 1. Both in numerator and then denominator, we need negative sign here according to that formula. So I will write like this, limit extends to minus 2, x power 5 minus of minus 2 to the power 5, because minus 2 to the power 5 is minus 32. If I multiply this, I will get minus into minus is plus 32 only, and denominator is x plus 2. Instead of x plus 2, I will write like this, x minus of minus 2. Now if I apply the formula, I will get n into a to the power n minus 1. So that will be 5 into minus 2 to the power 5 minus 1. So simplify this, you will get 80. Then 10th question, we need to find the value of dy by dx. I will differentiate this with respect to x. So dy by dx equals, tell me what is differentiation of e power x? E power x, right? I will write e power x as it is. But in place of x, something else is given in the question, that is minus 2x. Therefore, chain rule will be applicable. You have to differentiate minus 2x again. If you differentiate minus 2x again, you will get minus 2. So final answer will be minus 2 into e to the power minus 2x. Then 11th question, find the value of sine 75 degrees. Sine 75 degrees can be written as sine of 45 plus 30. So sine of 45 plus 30, use the formula sine of a plus b. Sine of a plus b, sine a into cos b plus cos a into sine b. Then 12th question, find the number of arrangements that can be made from the letters of the word simplicity. Now simplicity count the number of letters. So the number of letters are 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 letters. So 10 letters can be arranged in 10 factorial ways. But the catch here is I letter repeated thrice, 3 times. So you have to do like this, 10 factorial divided by 3 factorial. This is permutation of like things. Okay, so answer is 10 factorial divided by 3 factorial. Then 13th question, displacement is given in the question. Now the question is we need to find out the acceleration. Please recollect the formula. If you differentiate displacement, you will get velocity. Again, if you differentiate velocity, you will get acceleration. Now we need to find out acceleration at t 2 seconds. So first I will differentiate the given equation with respect to time. If I do that, I will get velocity. So velocity equals differentiation of displacement with respect to time. 4 into t cube differentiation. T cube differentiation is 3t square. So 4 into 3t square minus 6 into t square differentiation is 2t plus t differentiation is 1 minus 7 differentiation is 0. So velocity equals 4 into 3, 12t square, 6 into 2, 12t plus 1. Again, if I differentiate this with respect to time, I will get acceleration. So acceleration equals 12 into t square differentiation is 2t minus 12 into t differentiation is 1 and 1 differentiation is 0. So now I will get acceleration as 24t minus 12. Now we need to find out acceleration after 2 seconds. Look at the question here. When time is equals to 2 seconds. So in place of time, I will substitute 2. So I will get 24 into 2 minus 12. If I do that, I will get 36 units square per second because we differentiated twice. So write units square here. Okay. Then 14th question. 14th question is evaluate the determinant 801, 802, 803, 804. The easiest way to evaluate this is do any operation, either column operation or row operation. I will do C1 changes to C1 minus C2. If I do that, I will get minus 1, 802, minus 1, 804. Then you evaluate this. So if you evaluate this, you will get minus 804, minus into minus is plus 802, you will get minus 2. Then 15th question, integrate the following 1 by x minus sine x plus 3. So we know very well that differentiation of log x is 1 by x. Therefore, integration of 1 by x will be log x minus differentiation of sin x is cos x, but integration of sin x is minus cos x plus integration of 3 is 3x plus constant. So I will get log x plus cos x plus 3x plus constant. Then 16th question, integrate from 0 to 1 x square. So we know very well that integration of x power n will be x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. So if you integrate this, you will get x to the power 3 divided by 3, and then you should apply the limits. So you will get 1 to the power 3 divided by 3 minus 0 to the power 3 divided by 3. Final answer is 1 by 3.